Good day, everyone. In this episode, we will learn about point mapping. We will again use QGIS and we will use the data that we previously used in our first episode in our crime mapping tutorial series. Let's start. You can see that we use QGIS. This is the interface of QGIS. I said in our previous episode, these are the menu buttons. Then this is the interface. Then the most important part, we always visit the layers panel. Now let us retrieve the data that we used in our previous episode. Let us project our sample administrative map in Dumaguete City. To do that, let us choose layer, add layer, hover over it, and choose add vector layer. Click add vector layer, then look for Dumaguete City with barangays, the administrative map. Always remember that the extension it should be shapefile because only shapefile is read in this session, in our QGIS session. Click open, click add, close. So you have now the administrative map of Dumaguete City with the different barangays. Let's label the barangays. Click layer labeling options, single labels, then change the value to BNGY. So you have now the names of the different barangays on the center of each barangay. Close this one here. Now let us project the Dumaguete City without barangays. Click layer, add vector layer, then go back to the crime mapping folder, choose Dumaguete, then dumaguetecity.shp or shape file. Open it, click add, close. So you see the Dumaguete Negros Ore disappeared because the Dumaguete City is placed on top. But if we interchange them, just like this one, Dumaguete City without barangay is placed below Dumaguete Negros Ore, so Dumaguete City without barangay disappears. But if we place Dumaguete Negros Ore below Dumaguete City, so it's the Dumaguete City without barangays that appears on top. Now let us add the streets. Click layer, add vector layer, click here, vector datasets, choose city streets, city roads.shp, click open, add. So you have now the city streets. We'll just change the color later. Now, the next challenge is how to make a point map. It's so easy. If you remember in our previous episode, we converted our Excel or spreadsheet file into a CSV file because the QGIS only reads CSV file. So click layer. This time we will add the CSV file for carnapping that we created earlier. Layer, add layer, then add delimited text layer. Again, add delimited text layer. Click it. Click here. Look for the file that you save as CSV. So for me, I save it as CSV underscore carnapping.csv. click open. Then under geometry definition, here, change X field into longitude, and here Y field as latitude. For geometry CRS, choose project CRS, then click add. So you have now the point map. What you do now is to change the colors. So here, look at the layers panel, double click Dumaguete City. Let's change it. Um, let's change the color into, say, this one. Click OK, apply. Then let us emphasize the carnapping points. Click it. Let's choose red. You can also choose other points like this one. For me, I'll choose red. You can also enlarge it, the size. You can change the size. Let's go to 6.2, apply. So it changes its size. Let's go back to 4. Apply. Click OK. So you have now the point map of car mapping in Dumaguete City. You can you may uncheck those layers and check Dumaguete with barangays, so you can see here which barangays have these points. So that's it. The next episode for our crime mapping tutorial will be polygon mapping to show hotspots of crimes per barangay. Have a good day.